Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my cooking. A happy day and exciting day to everybody. Of course, welcome back to my channel, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. For today guys, I will share to you a simple and very quick preparation dessert, and ito ay ang Dulce de Leche. So ano nga ba ang Dulce de Leche? Anong kaibahan ng caramel? So pag sinabi natin caramel, it is a sugar cooked in low fire with butter until thickened, while ang Dulce de Leche naman ay made of condensed milk with butter. Of course, cooked and low fire. So, silang dalawa guys ay paborito kong toppings sa ating dessert, sa ating mga cake. So, pag hindi nyo pa na-try ang Dulce de Leche, samahan nyo ako sa aking journey of cooking and sabay-sabay natin tikman ang ating delicious dessert. And para din po itong yema. Okay? So, let's watch this video. So, here's the ingredients for our Dulce de Leche. 1/3 cup granulated sugar. 1/3 cup whole milk, or you can also use evaporated milk. 3 tablespoons of butter. And 1 can condensed milk, or equivalent to 390 grams. Only 4 ingredients, so let's start cooking. In a pan, put the granulated sugar. Let it melt. Once melted, let's put the butter. Let the butter melt as well. So mix well. If you have smaller non-stick pan, much better. Then, next to put is the whole milk. Then, let's put the condensed milk. Simutin, simutin. Then mix well hanggang maging thicken. Let it boil, simmer hanggang maging malapot na. Continue mixing hanggang maging thicken na siya. Malapot na. So, okay na to. Very thicken na siya. Oh. Malapot na siya. So, pagka na-cool down pa to, mas malapot na. Okay? Hindi dapat ganong malapot na malapot. Kasi, syempre, baka matigas naman yun pagka na-cool down. Okay? So, okay na to guys. Let's check. Wow! So, yung texture na gusto nating makamit is wow! Look, the texture is so nice. Ayan, no? So, hindi siya ganong matigas. I mean, yung siya, chewing-chewy. Yan, okay. So, pwede natin tong pampalaman sa tinapay. Pwedeng dessert nyo na rin. Or, pwede nyo rin pong ilagay sa cake. Yan, yummy. So, easy to prepare. Only 4 ingredients. Meron na kayong Dulce de Leche. So, ayun guys, sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating version ng Dulce de Leche. Kaya gawin nyo na, and for sure, masasarapan kayo nito. Okay, so thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Joyce Alvior. Bye for now! I love you all. Take care and God bless.